Alright, good evening. We're here at, where are we?
Ultra Beach
Ultra Beach.
and Ocean Plaza.
Ocean Plaza.
This restaurant right here is Ocean Plaza.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is your spot right here.
That's my spot, you know?
Okay. And you're the chef?
Yeah, I'm the chef. Rico. My name is Rico.
Rico.
Yeah, but you can find us at Seafood Elishire beside Fort Clarence Beach.
Okay, wonderful. And I just walked from, I come at Fort Clarence up there, then come down here and got it. Alright. So right now you're going to be on One Jamaica TV. So you're going to look for it on YouTube and you'll see yourself. You have an event coming up. I see it on the board there. So when is, let me go see it. What's up? Tell me about this event now.
This event is like a food event and New Year's get around with family and friends, you know? You can come and have your steamed fish, fried fish, and we have jerk chicken.
Right.
And we have Bamiyan festival and also
And music
nice
and stuff.
Music.
Okay.
Soup, fish soup, kong soup,
Okay.
beef soup with cow skin and all sorts of things.
Holy
So we have
thing.
fireworks, 12 o'clock.
And that's what New Year's night pretty much.
New Year's night, you know,
All
we
right.
have fireworks and bonfire right at the front.
Right over there. So that's the lovely beach over there that people can come and enjoy. And so why are you selling the good lady today? Where you sell her now?
Yeah,
Let me see
we're
what it
selling
is.
our steamed fish, we call it.
Open it, let me see it. Steamed fish. Whoa, that looks delicious.
Great Jamaican steamed fish, you know.
That is absolutely
Very beautiful
fantastic.
color and everything, you
Is
know.
that bami beside it?
Yeah, with the bami and the
And some
okra
pumpkin.
and the pumpkin
Wow.
and the Irish and the
What
carrot.
a beautiful looking dish, people.
And the scallion and the thyme.
Tell them where we are again. Where is this place?
We're at Ultra Beach.
Ultra Beach.
Seafood Elishire.
And what we have over here, so now you have some that look like, let me see the festival now. Yeah man. I want to check it out in a bit.
Ocean Plaza. Just come out to Ocean Plaza.
Ocean
Where's
Plaza.
Ocean Plaza?
All right.
At Elishire, Seafood Elishire.
Okay, so she's going to have some nice fish now and some bami and stuff. Okay, oh, 600 for that. All right, 101, right?
Yeah, for the festival.
For the festival.
Very nice.
And this now, how much was this? 3.5?
Yeah. 2.5 a pound and 5 is the steam.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful, beautiful. Well, thank you so much. The name again, what's your name again?
Rico.
Rico.
Yeah,
So
you
just come
can find
ask for
that
Rico.
Ocean Plaza, yeah.
All
Ask
right.
Rico at the Ocean Plaza.
What about the ladies around there? There, what, you help us?
Yeah, the workers.
The workers, them. All right, beautiful. Keep it up.
And the crowd come down for me, you know?
Yeah, you can't manage by yourself. So you
Yeah,
need
can't manage by myself.
Rico,
Okay.
you have this to go?
Yeah.
You have a to-go box?
Yeah, you can get
Can you put it in a go box,
Yeah.
please and thanks?
Yes,
That would be
please.
lovely.
Yes, thank you. Put it in your pocket. Okay.
Perfect. It looked good though. I wish I could eat it, so but we have to go.
Like the plate
You
here.
can wait it out, you know?
Yes,
Go,
it's
Rico,
heavy.
take this.
Exactly.
Come on, this side, that's on this side.
Which side is that now? Oh, okay. So oh, perfect. So that's the sign we want to see, the Ocean Plaza. All right, wonderful. And this is where you weigh the fish
Yeah.
and stuff. All right, beautiful, beautiful. Show me some of your fish now. Is there any in here?
Yeah.
So these are freshly caught from the sea, right?
Yeah, fresh fish you get at the boat.
All right, the boat them come in with it. Beautiful. Keep up the good work here.
And the lobster and thing, you know?
All right, excellent, excellent, excellent.
You got it? There's a
Yeah.
nice photo of this.
Ocean
yes.
Plaza, you know?
Yeah. So that's on the 31st. All right, so look out for it on One Jamaica TV. Okay? Respect.